folks. I am here with an unboxing as well as to present the first episode of Secure the Bag. And I thought it would be a good idea to have such an episode or series because there's sometimes that we just secure the bag. We get that bag no matter what. Either it was a great deal, we found something that was very hard to find, we jumped through loops, or we just finally just made the decision to get a bag that we've been eyeing for a while, but maybe it was higher in price than we really wanted to spend, but we just took the plunge. So the purpose of this series is to kind of share those great finds when you just didn't give up. Hell or high water, I'm going to get this bag. So that's the purpose of this series. And generally, they will always have a story behind them. So I thought it was separate from the run-of-the-mill unboxings or reveals. So this is our first episode of Secure the Bag. And I hope you like that music because I think that's the music that makes you want to dance. And that's how I feel when I feel like I've secured the bag. So let me get started. If you're interested in seeing this video, please keep on watching. I guess I'd like to start out by thanking all of my subscribers. I would also like to thank those who continually engage and provide comments. Your comments and your feedback is very encouraging, so it makes me want to continue to think of good ideas and fun things to do to share our love for handbags. So thank you. So let's get right into this. This is a Coach item, and I'm assuming it's what I'm thinking it is. Or that's going to ruin my whole episode here, but I think it's the one. So there's a story. Like I said, there's always a story on the Secure the Bag episodes. So let's see. It is Coach, as I indicated, and it is what I thought. Give me a second to get rid of the box. Excuse the noise. Okay, so let me tell you the story about this bag. So this was a situation where I was not necessarily in the market for this bag. But then I question if I'm ever in the market per se for a bag. I just happen to see something and I like it. But I already have a bag like this, just not in this color. So as you can see, this is the May shoulder bag. And it is in color block. So it is in a brass hardware, which I'll show in a moment. It's ivory in the front and blush. It's called Ivory Blush Multi. So I have a whole video on the May shoulder bag. So I'm not going to go into the details of this bag. I just really wanted to share with you the story behind it and why I feel this was a perfect fit for our first Secure the Bag episode. Okay, so one night I'm perusing coachoutlet.com. I see this bag pop up, and again, I wasn't in the market for a May shoulder bag because I already have one, but I saw this bag pop up and it was $118. This bag is a retail bag and it's normally $395. So do the math. I'm like, okay, I love that color. It's a nice bag. I gotta have this bag. I'm gonna get this bag. The problem, as you may know, when they have the retail bags, especially if they're popular on the Coach outlet site, they tend to have limited quantities and they go fast. So this particular bag, at the time that I looked at the website, there was only 2 left. And it had the marking of almost gone. I'm sure you've seen that before. So I try to put it in my bag, my shopping bag, and I get the message that other members are holding it. So I keep refreshing, trying to see if somebody let it go. Again, it's only 2 left. And I'm not going to even tell you. I'm going to plead the fifth on how long I refreshed to try to get this bag. Long story short, it was a while, nothing's happening. Finally, it did let me get through. It let me actually submit the order. So I submit the order. Then I get, we're sorry, this bag is not available because it's out of stock or something. So we removed it from your cart. And I'm thinking, removed it from my cart. I already paid for it. Okay, whatever. So then I'm thinking, well, maybe I have a customer service issue here because they said they had to. They let me go all the way through and then they took it out of my cart. I know this bag was also on the retail site. The problem is that on the retail site, it was on sale, but it was on sale for $275. Big difference between $118. So I called coachoutlet.com, told them my whole long story about the limited quantities, about putting it in my bag, and then finally being able to purchase it, and then it not going through. So the young lady looked it up. She goes, oh, we have 600 of these, not 2. I'm like, oh, okay, so your website says 2. And I was gonna say, you might have 600 because this is also on sale on the retail site. But you know what? Why give people information that's gonna make me not get this bag? I'm trying to secure the bag, right? So I'm not giving any extra details. So she goes, let me go ahead and order it for you. Lo and behold, she ordered it. And I thought, okay, let's see if it comes through. Maybe it's a glitch. She doesn't realize there are low quantities at the outlet site, but maybe they do have more at the retail site, and I don't know what their policies are there. So I thought I'm probably not gonna get it. I did get it. So I did secure the bag. It's funny because at one point I kept refreshing and I actually considered just going over to the retail site and paying that $275, but I just couldn't do it because if it's $118 somewhere, I'm gonna get this bag. So I'm happy to report that I did secure the bag, and how beautiful is this color blocking? Like I said, I already have a May shoulder bag. I didn't need a May shoulder bag. I don't need any more bags, but this was so beautiful. I am so excited. I feel so accomplished. You would think that I solved a major problem here, but I didn't give up. I secured the bag. Check out my May shoulder bag with color block. It's in pebbled leather. The one I have that I have a video on that I will link is in the snake skin detail, and it's also suede on the sides, but I think this one is even more beautiful. So I cannot wait to wear her. Now, I don't know if I've accidentally stumbled upon something or not. Maybe you all already knew this, but it made me think that in the future, if I ever see a bag that's on both the Coach retail site and on the Coach outlet site, but there's limited quantities, should I just call the outlet site and say, hey, I can't get this, because maybe they have access to the full inventory. So best believe, if it ever happens again, that will be my approach. So, oh my God, this bag is so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching the first episode of Secure the Bag. I'm so excited. I can do my little dances. Like I said, I wanted upbeat music because that's how I feel when I secure the bag. And this girl here is gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching. Would love to see your secure the bag opportunities or your conquest that you overcame. If you haven't already, please subscribe, please like, and please share, and please join me for future episodes of Secure the Bag. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic weekend.